So, you want to know if the mystery boxes are worth it from Amazon? Well, let's find out, shall we? Alright friends, I told you guys yesterday that I would unbox this amazing mystery package from Amazon. This is listed as the Resin Go 500 gram random silicone mold epoxy resin mold mystery boxes. I will link it below. It was $16.99 and I say it was absolutely worth every penny. Let's see how much it's going for right now on Amazon. Yep, still $16.99. There's another one for $17.59. I guess it comes with even more stuff. Ooh, actually, I want to click on this. Does this show what comes in it? No. So, I'm looking at the listing on my phone. Wow, that's weird. It looks, I'm hoping it looks better on editing. But anyway, all of this stuff right here did not come in my box at all. So, let me show you what came in my box. And I'm very happy about that because I was worried that we would all get the same crap. I do plan to order another one of these at some point. Okay, so first up, we have this, and it's already got cat hair on it because we have cats. First up is this pyramid mold or triangle mold. Again, another cat hair. It feels very sturdy, too. It is just a little bit warped, but I think that'll be okay. And then a nice deep leaf. I think this would be a lot of fun for fall, like to pour a bunch of different colors and then put them into a tray. You could even use these as coasters. I mean, you know, the cup would sit on that just fine. A really cool geode mold, and it has the extra silicone in there. I assume that you could just cut that out, but I've just kind of left it because, like, you know, it's not a big deal. You know what I mean? This I probably will never use. It's a bangle mold. I never wanted to make bangles, so that's why I don't have them on my wish list or anything, and I've never bought any. But if I ever have any extra resin, I might turn it black and then pour it in here and make myself some wheels for, I don't know, a resin car at some point when my mind decides to go that direction. This I thought was so cool and probably worth the entire bag, honestly. This is a puzzle piece mold, and I assume, I'm hoping that I'm correct in assuming this. I assume that this is meant to be a bookend, you know? You put it on like a bookend, or it's meant to be like a tray, like a dish, a trinket dish. I'm not really sure. I'm going to have to do more research on this. If you guys have this mold, please let me know what you use it for. But I think it would look really cool as a bookend, you know. I mean, obviously you'd have to pour two. But we do have a couple of pendant molds in here. I didn't have any of these molds, by the way. So this one is a very pretty flower pendant mold. And then we've got some round tags pendant molds. Very cool. I have absolutely no idea what this is, and I'm hoping you guys can tell me. Here's what I think it is. I think this is a set of bookmark molds. I think that there's a little hole right here for tassels, and I think it's a bookmark mold. But if it's something else, please let me know. Because I don't want to look stupid like I did with the with the shelf molds, and it's meant to hold crystals. This is really cute. It's a leaf mold, but they're terribly thin, so I assume that these are bookmarks, and they're very tiny. I think they would make the perfect little bookmarks, or even pour a whole bunch of these in different colors and pop them into a tray. I really like those. And then the last mold is something that I never wanted, but now that I have it, I kind of want to give it a try. And of course, there's a whole bunch of cat hair in here, even though I never took these out of the bag, but because I took everything else. It's a set of knives. Knife molds. Now, my housemates and most of my friends, we're all nerds. We're all geeks. And so I kind of want to do like some fantasy knives to put on display. These are really big. Actually, let me get my ruler. Let me get my ruler out. Let me see. Okay. So, these are roughly about 9.5 inches long for these. Yeah, 9.5 inches long. So that is quite long. So these would make really good display pieces for a wall. Like you could hang them, you know, design them in a certain way, maybe with dragon scales or something. And then just hang them on a wall as a display piece. I think these would look absolutely spectacular hanging up. But yeah, for $17 US, getting all of these molds, I really do think that that is a steal of a deal. I'm very, very impressed. As I said, I will eventually be getting another one just to kind of see, you know, what the spread is. As always, I'm really happy that you guys are here. I apologize again for being gone for a while. And I look forward to pouring more resin with you guys soon. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.